So welcome students. In this question you're given that the matrix A is 5 5 alpha alpha 0 alpha 5 alpha 0 0 5. It's an upper triangular matrix, right? It's an upper triangular matrix. Now if det of A square is given as 25, you're asked to find mod of alpha. So again, it's a very basic question. So one of the property that I'm going to use is det of A square is nothing but det A whole square. And it's given as 25. So det of A can be equal to plus or minus 5. These are the two options for det A. And A is an upper triangular matrix. So det A is nothing but the product of the diagonal elements. It is 5 into alpha into 5. That is 25 alpha. So det A is equal to plus or minus 5 from the given information. Det A is equal to 25 alpha from this information. So you equate these two. 25 alpha is equal to plus or minus 5. Alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 by 5. This implies mod alpha is equal to 1 by 5 should be the answer. Thank you.